Is an introduction really necessary for someone we all know so well?
I'm gonna get ready to do a cute little hot girl walk at the gym. This right here, I love this. You see how it's like padded and there's like a bit of room? It's perfect for sleeping. I've been sleeping with it. And I am not a sleep eye mask girly, but I love this because I feel like I have enough room from my eye and the like material that I can blink and open my eye in this mask and I still don't see nothing. So I am now a eye mask girly. It came with a cute brown bonnet. What can I say? I am taking my content journey very seriously this year. I bought 5 120 gigabyte SanDisk memory cards. This is what we're dealing with.
Combination.
We're wearing a cute little azure set in red for our little hot girl walk with a vest on. Coco Loco. I made this at Oris Labs.
We shall eat today. I was feeling a bit peckish.
Oh my God, what is that? Honestly, this is my favorite flavor. I've had the lemon strawberry, and that's one of my favorites. Cherry and orange, not my thing. But this one, bueno. That's some good shit. That's some good shit right there. So I've been on Manjaro for about 4 months. My doctor said that being on a 5 milligram is ideal because at the end of the day, Manjaro suppresses your appetite. So the higher dose you go, the more suppressed you are. And I'm pretty suppressed, so we don't want to stop eating entirely. We need to have some appetite for good food, protein. We are injecting a lower belly. Just leave it for 7 seconds.